it's interesting you ask that because I grew up, in fact, one of my formative jobs at Microsoft was also making sure that we had interoperability with the various flavors of Unix out there between NT and Unix. And that taught me one thing, which is interoperability is what, first of all, customers demand. And if you do a good job of it, that's good for your business, and obviously you're meeting customers where they are. And so to us, I think that's what has shaped my thinking when it comes to open. I mean, I'm not dogmatic about closed source or open source. Both of them are needed in the world. And in fact, I think customers will demand them, right? Even if any one of us has dogma, it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, the world will break that way, which is there will be a need for it. So given that, I think, like, for example, there was SQL Server, there was MySQL, or Postgres. There's Linux, there's Windows. In fact, there is Linux on Windows. In fact, my favorite thing to use is WSL on Windows, because it just makes it easy to take a lot of the dev tools and deploy them on Windows. So overall, I think having a posture that allows you to mix and match these two things is super helpful. It also fits with what you just talked about, because a lot of my enterprise customers want to be able to distill, in many cases, models that they own. It's their IP. So that in that place where an open weight model has a huge structural advantage compared to a closed model. And so I do feel that the world now is better served with great closed source frontier models, great open source frontier models, and to us as a hyperscaler, this is a great thing, because after all, our job is to serve. Like if you go to Azure, you can get fantastic Postgres, you can get great SQL Server, or you can get Linux or Windows VMs. Same way, we want to have the choice available and great tooling around it.